Hi YouTube, today in this video I will be teaching you how to make a leader stat in Roblox Studio. So first we're going to put a script into the server script service. We're going to insert a script. Now we need to tell the script when a player joins and what their name is. So we're going to do game.players.player added connect function player. Now we're also going to need to create a leader stat that will go under the player. So we're going to do local leader stats equals instance dot new int value. Now we're also going to set the name of the leader stats because when you create a new instance, it'll just be the name of what you create. We're going to do leader stats dot name equals leader stat. Now we're also going to need to set the parent to the player. So we're going to do leader stats dot parent equals player. Now we're also going to make a cache. So we're going to do local cache equals instance dot new int value. Now we're also going to need to set the name of this. So we're going to do cache dot name equals money. It doesn't matter what you put in here because we can still reference it with cache. So we're going to do cache dot parent equals leader. Now we're going to test it. As you can see, it set a leader stat on the leaderboard.